how to fix WhatsApp contacts not showing up on Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to teach you step by step how you can do it. So let's get started without any delay. First of all, you can just go ahead and close up your WhatsApp and you need to head over to your main contacts app. So head over to the main contacts app, and the thing you need to do is make sure your contacts are saved in your phone and not just synced to a Google account that is not connected. So check if the numbers and names appear there. If not, they won't even show up in WhatsApp either. After that is done, you need to give WhatsApp access to your contacts. So you may head over to the WhatsApp application, long press on it, and go to the info section at the top. And then from there, you need to head over to permissions. And the thing is, you need to go ahead and tap on contacts from the option and go ahead and give allow, set it allow. Without this, WhatsApp cannot read your contact list. Now, the next thing you need to do is you need to refresh the contact list inside the WhatsApp. So you can just go ahead and open up the WhatsApp application and just go ahead and tap on refresh, or you scroll down and look for the refresh option to resync your phone book. Sometimes the cache issues can also cause that contact name not to show. So you can long press on the application, go to the info section again, and then from there, scroll down, go over to storage, tap on it, and go ahead and clear the cache, and your chats will stay intact. Don't worry about it, but you can just go ahead and clear the cache to fix that issue. And that is it for now. You may try following up this method. Otherwise, you can also try updating your WhatsApp application to the latest version if there is any update available. And that's it. After following these steps, your WhatsApp contact should show up correctly. If this video helped, give it a video. I'll give this video a like. Drop a comment with any questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick Android fixes, and we will see you in another video.